Just switched itself off on a rock, so it hasn't got much ground clearance. That's hopeless. The on-off button's underneath and it keeps knocking itself off. I'll have to put a bit of tape over that. Well, the on-off button is underneath, and every time it hits a stone it turns itself off. That's not very successful.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.